Razer just released their new AI companion Ava at the CES, and there are so many things wrong about this thing that I don't even know where to begin. But I'll give it a try anyway. First up, due to the AI boom, the prices of memory and storage have skyrocketed. In a nutshell, the servers that are running the AI software require all the production of memories. Would you rather like to pay less for your gaming PC or pay hundreds of euros for an AI companion that sits on your desk? Secondly, the language that this is using is the Grok AI, a great language created by the great Elon Musk. Just last week, it created child abusing images for its users. At the moment, Razer's slogan is "From gamers to gamers". In the future, that could be "From gamers to pedo". Think I said enough. Let me know if you want me to dig deeper.